Oh my god. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. We did just get a blizzard here in the Northeast, so it's kind of cold. Spent a lot of time shoveling out there. Again, I hope everyone is well and safe and happy as we start another penny hunt here on the Penny Hunter. This box is from Jewett City Savings Bank. I have noted in the past that there are not a lot of Wheaties in these boxes, so I will be surprised if I get a lot. I'm hoping for at least 10. Last box, we did get 31, but that was from Navy Fed. The last box that I opened from Jewett City had 20, which was quite a surprise. But other than that, not so notable. After 174 rolls from Jewett City, which is just over 3 boxes, we've only had a Wheatie 23.6% of the rolls, which is 10% below my average. So again, we're going to take note on what we find, and if I get anything, I'll bring you back in. Wanted to bring you in. Roll number 1 had our first find. It's a Canadian, 1975. Roll number 2 has our second find. It's a 1961 Canadian. You know what that means. Yep. It's a young head. Love to see him. Roll number 3 gives us our first Wheatie. It's a 1958 Denver. That's a common one, but it's our first Wheatie on the board. I'll take it. Roll number 3 had another Canadian in it. It's a 78. That's 3 Canadians in a row. Oh my god. This is amazing. It is only the second one I've ever found. The first one I didn't get on video. Here we go. You see it. It is absolutely beat up, but you know what this is. It's an 1899 Indian head. It has seen better days, but this coin is 122 years old. It is the oldest coin I have ever found in circulation. Indian head, number 2. I can't believe it, and I just dropped it. Amazing. Right after that Indian head, roll number 6 gave us another Canadian. It's a 1984. Roll number 7 gives us 2 Wheaties. You saw the first one was an Ender. I must have missed it. It's a 1953D. And over here, our second one. Second one of the roll, third of the box. It's a very dirty 1948 Philadelphia. Roll number 8 gives us a beautiful coin. Now, it's not a Wheatie, but I have found several of these beautifully shiny coins in the last couple hunts. This one's a 1962 Denver. I do have a 1962 Philly in really good condition, but I don't get a lot of Denvers out here, and so I think this might be a book upgrade. I will let you know at the end of the video if it is indeed an upgrade for my book. And we have a young head. Canadian, number 5, in 8 rolls. It's a 1964. This is pretty neat. In roll number 12, it's our first non-Canadian foreign. Yes, it is from Panama. It's from 1977, and it's pretty shiny for a 77. This is a beautiful coin. I'll take it. Roll number 13 gives us another Canadian. It's number 6 of the box. I can't make out what year it is. It's a 1990-something. Wanted to bring you in. Roll number 17 gives us our 4th wheat cent. It's a dirty 1955 Philadelphia. Yeah, I'm not seeing any doubling. The most famous coin of all time, the 1955 double die, you don't need a microscope to see, but there are other minor varieties that you would. I'm not seeing any right here. I will throw it under the scope just to double check, but It is number 4. It counts. Hopefully we can get to 10. I knew that this hunt was going to be slow. Jewett City doesn't give us a lot of wheat cents. Roll number 23, we have our 5th wheat cent of the hunt. It's another 55. Also, I don't see any doubling on this coin. 5th wheat cent, second 55. Roll number 23. Roll number 24 gives us our 7th Canadian. It's a 1984. Roll number 25, halfway done, wheat cent, number 6. It's a 57 Philly. We're on pace for 10. Barely, but we're on pace. Roll number 30 gives us our 7th wheat cent of the box. It's a 1944 Philadelphia, and right below it, I didn't even see it until I moved the wheat cent, another Canadian. It's a 1976. Roll number 30, it's beat up, but it counts. It has its 2nd wheat cent of the roll. It's a 1944 Philly, just like the other one. That's number 8. Roll number 33 gives us wheat cent number 9. The box is starting to heat up. It's a 58D. Very, very common, but it is number 9. Can we get one more wheat cent to give us 10? Let's find out. Drum roll, please. 2 coins left in roll number 33. It's a 1951D. That is 10 Wheaties in this box. And let me do a quick count here. 17 boxes in a row with 10 Wheaties. And these are from all different branches, all different banks. That's just crazy. Roll number 34 had a neat coin in it. This is Canadian number 9, but as you can see, there's no year on this coin, and I have never found one in circulation. It is a special commemorative 50th anniversary 2002. So the date is on the front on these coins, so I find that very interesting. So I like to bring you in and show you these really nice 1960 coins that I find a lot. This one's just an absolute beauty. I think I have a 60D already in the book, so this might not upgrade. Or I should say I have one nicer than this. But I will check it against the book, and if not, I may put it in a sleeve. I can tell right there that this is a large date version. If you zoom in, you can see how tall the edge of the 6 is. So I do collect small date 1960s. I don't find them too often, but this is a large date. But either way, I may just set it aside and put it in a flip. I think it's really beautiful. Roll number 36, wheat cent number 11. It's a 1940 Philadelphia. Well, roll number 38 saved us from a streak-ending 1968 S-Mint mark. It's our first of the box. Roll number 38 also had another wheat cent. It's a 44 Philadelphia. Roll number 39 gives us our 10th Canadian. It's an 89. The box is heating up. Roll number 39 gives us our 13th wheat cent. It's a 57D. We started a little slow, but it's definitely picked up its pace. That's 13 Wheaties and 10 Canadians. Roll number 43 gives us another Wheatie. It's number 14. It's a 56 Philadelphia. Roll number 45 had back-to-back finds. This was on the end, and I didn't notice it before because it was face up and it just kind of blended together. It's a 1972 Canadian. That is Canadian number 11, and right behind it in the roll, wheat cent number 15. It's a 51 Philly. Roll number 46 had a surprise. It is a slick 1925. It is incredibly smooth. I can feel it when I touch it. It is worn completely thin, but it's still a 1925. I mean, a 96-year-old coin. So we found that Indian head and this 1925 in this box already. Well, already the box is almost done. Great find. I'll set it aside. Well, I wanted to bring you in because back-to-back boxes have given us back-to-back multiple shiny 60s. I was talking a few minutes ago about the 1960D that I discovered, which I did think I have, but I don't think I have this in such good condition. Back-to-back boxes, yesterday and today, have given us these shiny coins. Now, the cool thing is, one of those boxes was Navy Fed, and one of those boxes was Jewett City, so they're not even coming from the same bank. Look at this. Just beautiful. One more thing before we end this video. Wanted to show you all the potential coins that could be book upgrades. I don't think they'll all make it, but I'm guessing at least half, maybe 4 or 5 will. I'll give you a quick update right at the end, seeing what made it. Okay, so that's that. We actually had 7 upgrades. I did tell you in the beginning of the video that I did have a nice 1960D, but this one was better. So was the 1961D. We added 3 other Denvers, the 87, the 99, and the 2008. And I did like the 82 small date copper that I already had here, or I did not like the one I already had, so I upgraded the one here. Overall, really nice to find 7 book upgrades in one hunt. Well, there it is. Another hunt done, another box in the books. This was a fun box. Most notable, we did find that 1899 Indian head, only the second one I've ever found in circulation. It was destroyed, but it does count. We also found that really old slick 1925. 2 young heads in the Canadians, double-digit Wheaties and double-digit Canadians. It's always nice to see that in a box. Weird thing, we didn't find a single 1959. We did find that nice, shiny 1977 Panama cent, though. I found a few, but not in that good of condition. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we will be back with another penny hunt video. We do have daily penny videos on this channel. Please subscribe and like the video if you haven't done so already. Have a great day and happy hunting.